Okay, so let's talk about Peptide Restore, which is a copper peptide 1, versus advanced peptide. So if you're confused and you're not sure which peptide moisturizer is best suited for you, this is an anti-aging peptide, also with growth factors in it as well. So this is going to speed up the moisture process. You're actually going to see increased moisture levels and a nice glow to the skin, I would say very quickly. I tell people that it's a very deceiving product, meaning that it's thin, but it corrects hydration, we'll say within 4 days. You can use this AM and PM, and you can put your moisture serum or your vitamin C underneath this. So you would essentially cleanse, moisture surge, or vitamin C, your peptide moisturizer, and your sunblock and eye cream. Okay, so your copper peptide is going to be, copper peptide 1 is going to be for those of you who have rosacea, who have active acne skin, or acne prone skin, or you just have that ultra sensitive skin where you're very reactive, you can't use a lot of products. This is very soothing. So 2 different things, 2 different clients. This is a 1.7 ounce bottle, it's $59. You can put the moisture surge underneath this, but you cannot put the vitamin C. So for you, you would do cleanse, eye cream, moisture surge, your copper peptide, and your sunblock. Hope that helps.